Good morning, my friend. How are you? Today I'm going to share with you this design idea in the ceiling. The material is coming ready mix. You can choose the color as you like. The application tools is trowels and scrapers. You can apply like this manner I'm playing now by doing small circles with the materials. Put first coat and the second coat. The final of this design, it will come very good and very good looking with the effects. Some area is dark, some area is light with the color that you choose. Kindly subscribe in the channel and help the channel to grow up. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.